In the series of CT field operations, we will discuss CT depth setting. Talking about the introduction, prior to running in whole of CT, a pre-calculated depth is assigned to mechanical depth counter assembly. As we can see in this diagram, here we have this mechanical depth counter assembly. So before we start CT running in whole, we have to enter a pre-calculated depth at this mechanical depth counter assembly. And same depth we have to set at the electrical encoder or data acquisition system inside the control cabin. As we can see that in this cell in front of injector depth we have set 18 foot. This 18 foot is actually pre-calculated depth, which we call depth setting. So what is the objective of CT depth setting? The objective is to get the exact depth of CT nozzle inside the wellbore in accordance with wireline depth, or simply we can say that the purpose of the CT depth setting is to correlate the wireline depth and coil tubing depth. To understand that how to calculate CT depth setting, we need to understand the concept of RKB or depth reference. During well completion, we run different completion components, that is completion jewelry. As we can see in this diagram, here we have two wells and we have run in different completion components like tubing string, packer, sliding sleeve, etc. Each component in the completion components has its depth inside the wellbore with reference to a standard point known as RKB. So the completion components I have mentioned, like packer, sliding sleeve, the second packer, tubing string, all these components have a specific depth with reference to a fixed point. That fixed point is called RKB or reference depth. So RKB is rotary Kelly bushing depth or the rig floor depth. For example, here we have the depth of tubing hanger equal to 48 foot. This 48 foot is from the reference depth and our reference is RKB or rig floor or rotary Kelly bushing depth. The packer depth is 10,000 feet. So this 10,000 feet is with reference to standard depth or reference depth, which is basically RKB or rig floor. Then the depth of sliding sleeve is 10,500 and packer is 11,000. Again, this 11,000 is from the reference depth RKB. So we have taken RKB as 0 and then from 0 to this packer depth is 11,000 feet. To further make our understanding clear, we will take the help from this diagram. This diagram presents the surface setup of coil tubing equipment. So when we run coil tubing inside the wellbore, this coil tubing start from this depth counter assembly, move from top of the gooseneck through the injector head, through the risers, then through the BOP, through the Christmas tree, and then ultimately enters into the well. So the purpose of the setting CT depth is that when our this coil tubing string come in front of any completion component, for example, let's say tubing hanger. So the depth of tubing hanger is 48 foot. The depth at this mechanical depth counter assembly should be 48 foot. And the depth of packer is 10,000 foot. The depth whenever this CT string come in front of packer, depth at this depth counter assembly should be approximately equal to 10,000 feet. So this process is known as depth setting. So now we can again rephrase the objective of CT depth setting is that depth at the CT counter should be exactly same as in the completion sketch. To achieve this objective, we adjust the depth on the counter, that is depth correlation. How do we perform this calculation? We will continue our discussion in the next part of this tutorial. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.